Do you also feel guilty whenever you're like having a craving and you're actually giving into that craving and having instant noodles or like instant ramen or whatever you want to call it? This is my favorite. Anyway, so for me it's really specific. You know, for the dry Mie Goreng, I have like a certain brand that I like. But then I also like the one with the soup, which is a Japanese one. It's a cheese ramen. So, and then I also have a rice noodle one from a certain brand that I also really like. So it's not just like dry noodle or soup, noodle soup. It's, you know, different for every brand, I guess. And also, if you've been craving that noodle and you're feeling bad about it or you're hesitating, girl, have your noodle. You deserve it. And you can balance it out with veggies or, you know, protein. Add protein to your noodles. Whatever it is, a happy heart makes good medicine. Eetsmakelijk.